Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's video we're going to talk about Edge Video, which is a Web3 video streaming platform where you can view to earn Edge tokens and much more. Obviously nothing I say on this video is financial advice, so always go away and do your own research before investing any of your own money. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Okay guys, so jumping over to the Edge Video website, which as always is a link down below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out after this video. You can see that this is the first of its kind Web3 video network, kind of like Web 2 version of YouTube, but with many different features that you might already get on that existing platform, which obviously you're watching this video on, and you probably consume a lot of content because many people consume lots of content on YouTube, which is what's made it so successful. However, there are problems with YouTube in that you as the viewer don't really ever get any rewards for watching any of the content. And the way that YouTube works is in a number of different ways in terms of how they make money. Basically, when someone makes a video, they pay the creator of the content some portion of the ad revenue that is driven to the platform. They also have premium viewers, and you can pay a monthly subscription in order to be able to access exclusive content as well as have no ads streaming in your content as well. But obviously without you, the business doesn't really work and you don't really benefit at all from watching YouTube, apart from obviously the content that you might be enjoying. But there's other platforms like Edge where you can be rewarded not only for sharing content on the platform, but also viewing different content as well. Looking down through, you can see the different types of content that are being streamed on the platform and available for viewers, from esports to sort of surfing tours. We've got poker tours, business stuff, and much more. Now, Edge Video has a built-in AI robot, basically, which works out more information about the viewer much quicker than existing platforms. And if we think about how AI has changed other things, we think about TikTok versus Instagram. TikTok's AI is significantly smarter and works much faster, allowing content to be pushed to viewers that's more suitable for that viewer, and that's why TikTok is absolutely exploding, because of how smart the platform is. So if we can take that understanding or that AI and put it into another platform which is based solely around video content like Edge, then you can see how a platform like this has significantly more potential than some existing platforms on the market. Not only that, but there also won't be any limitations on the content that you can access, as well as anything else like subscription fees that you might have to pay each month in an existing Web 2.0 platform. You can come down through, guys, and you can see the different platforms that are available. Just by clicking on one of these, it will take me to that channel where I can access that individual content. And as well as that, they have this facial recognition of personality. Faces are NFTs with unique roles in the Edge ecosystem. Each face represents a personality recognized in the live stream and gives the holder the right to be paid in ETH tokens. When the face they own is detected by the Edge player in any live stream, the more popular the personality, the more you get paid. The Edge player shows the ETH holders how much they have earned in real time alongside their watch to earn ETH earned. So for example, if I had some content on YouTube and someone else wanted to repost that on YouTube, I don't get any money for that. Obviously there's sort of limitations with copyright, etc. But by having my face in a platform like this, I would then gain revenue from other platforms playing my content, which is better for me, obviously, in the long run. Then I want to encourage other people to play my content, because then I can earn more revenue back from that. At the moment, there's 350,000 indexes being added daily, and I'm sure that that will continue to grow. Looking at the ETH token on the token utility, because obviously if we're going to be earning this token, we want to be able to use it for different things. So basically, if you're a publisher or you're creating content, publishers buy token on the market and add it to their reserve pools. Every publisher has its own. From reserve pools, tokens are distributed to viewers. So if I want to use video marketing or something like that, then I could invest a bit of money into buying ETH tokens to then distribute to my viewers. Viewers are obviously going to be more engaged and watch my content because they're being paid to do so, rather than in the existing model where most people will just click off of ads and not be that interested. Viewers get rewarded for engagement in live videos, tagging personalities, and owning NFTs, sharing live videos and streaming live on the network, which higher engagement levels tokens to be earned at a fast rate. Watch premium content, buy face with ETH, simply connect your MetaMask wallet and start earning. So obviously if you've been using Facebook, YouTube, Google, you'll get hit by ads all the time, and it can be a bit annoying because sometimes you probably feel like it's a waste of time and you're not getting anything in return, because we're so flooded with information on a daily basis now that we don't have much time for stuff like that. But when you change the mentality, not going to get paid for watching it yourself by then redistributing it, maybe earning rewards and then earning rewards for the owner of that content, then you can see how everyone is benefiting from a decentralized Web3 video streaming platform like Edge Video. The network is decentralized, and the network can reduce 100 gigabytes of data down to just 100 megabytes or so, which is really important in terms of saving the bandwidth. A network which self-heals and self-organizes. Every new viewer using the Edge player scales the network by one node. Networks scale exponentially with easy integration for CDNs. Okay, so the more viewers can then work between them, and it kind of builds itself and becomes a more powerful network as it continues to grow. You can look down below and there's a core team. It's good to see that they all have their faces on show, and you can go click on their LinkedIn. You can find out a little bit about them. Basically head up by this guy, Joe Ward, 33 years in media and technology, serial entrepreneur, the former network engineer and Intel Capital Portfolio CEO. You can see in the past he's already had many successful exits and IPOs, so this is something to pay attention to. Anyone who's previously had successful projects does tend to be able to continue on their success, building on previous successes with all the knowledge they've gained, and obviously then have the funding available to be able to build projects successfully. And you can then look down at the advisory team, a wealth of experience with all of the different companies that they've been working with. We've got Disney in there, Citibank, Intel, and many others. And as well as that, guys, there's lots of interviews and stuff where you can come and learn more about the platform, where the CEO interviews with on YouTube, and you can hear much more about what he has to say about this platform and the potential growth coming up over the years. It's also lots of news where they've been featured on various platforms as well. What else is cool about this, guys? As a content creator on YouTube, it can be very difficult for viewers to find my content. Unless I become an expert in SEO and understanding how the platform works, it's very difficult for me to really know how to target audiences, because sometimes I have a video that performs really well and another video that I think is even better but actually doesn't perform as well. It's very difficult with the existing analytics tools to understand how to push that content to more people, and this is something really powerful because it allows me to target viewers on the platform much more accurately. As I've mentioned, having more viewers allows people to publish my content more widely, and then obviously I'm benefiting from building my network, being shared, having my face recognized, and being rewarded in ETH tokens. By clicking here on Euronews, it's going to bring me across to the Edge player itself, and this is what we are looking at right now. You can see that if I want, I can connect my wallet, then I can start earning rewards via my MetaMask wallet. If you don't know how to get a MetaMask wallet, super easy. Go across to Google, look for MetaMask, and it'll come up in the Chrome store. Go to the Chrome store and add it to your browser. If you don't know how to do that, go over to YouTube, search for a video saying how to get MetaMask on my Mac or how to get MetaMask on Windows or whatever it is, and there's a very simple video, I'm sure, waiting for you, telling you how to do that, but we're not going to talk about that too much today because obviously this is the main focus. As you can see, guys, this is the sort of content that you would normally be watching because obviously it's the news, it's business channels, everything that you would normally find on live TV or YouTube, but now you can enjoy that same content while being rewarded for doing so. If you have it without the volume like I currently have it, you'll earn at a certain rate, but by having with, then you'll earn Edge tokens at a normal rate. If you have the volume on and you're actually paying attention and watching it, then you'll earn at a 4 times faster rate. So it's obviously probably the platform that you want to go to in order to enjoy your content. And because of this, guys, because everyone already consumes content like this, then it's pretty much a no-brainer that you're going to start using a platform like this that's going to reward you for doing so. As you can see, once I then share this content and I maybe move it across to some other platform where people come across to this, then I'm going to get rewarded as well. And obviously the network effect, the more people who share it are going to share it across. It could grow insanely fast because obviously I could share it perhaps with my fan base or my group of friends, and then all of them share it with their groups of friends and fan bases and whatever they've got. Then you can see how quickly it can grow. Here, by clicking on Connect Wallet, you can see it's going to say, please connect MetaMask to the Polygon mainnet. Polygon's great because the fees are super low. If you're into NFTs or anything like that, then you'll understand Ethereum, etc. has insanely high gas fees at the moment. Probably going to drop later on this year, but right now it's still very expensive. Polygon makes things very affordable, which means that there's going to be more rewards and everything in the pockets of not only the creators, but the viewers as well. So just to recap, guys, Edge Video is a Web3 video streaming platform hoping to solve the problems of existing streaming platforms, offering viewers chances to earn for their time while viewing different content, as well as rewarding them for sharing content of creators. If you want to find out more information, then make sure you head over to Edge Video, which is linked down below in the description. There's plenty of videos with the CEO giving interviews, etc., explaining more about the platform and how it all works and how you can benefit by using the platform today. Guys, if you've enjoyed today's content, then make sure you smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for doing that. And if you're new to Crypto Gems, then make sure you subscribe if you want to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening in crypto, Web3, NFTs, and much, much more. Thanks very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.